of a cell. The cells differ in their shapes and sizes. The animal and plant cells are not exactly the same. However, they show some similarities in their structure. A typical cell consists of three parts: cell membrane, cytoplasm, and nucleus. Cell membrane or plasma membrane. Every cell is bound by a thin delicate membrane called cell membrane or plasma membrane. The membrane separates cells from one another and from the surrounding medium. Functions. Plasma membrane is porous and allows the entry and exit of only selected substances. It also prevents the movement of some other substances across it. Thus, it is also called selectively permeable membrane. It provides an outer boundary to the cell and separates cells from one another and also from the surrounding medium. It also protects the cell from injury. Cytoplasm is a thick, jelly-like fluid inside the cell membrane. It occupies the space between the cell membrane and the nucleus. There are many small cytoplasmic bodies in the cytoplasm. These are mitochondria, Golgi bodies, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, etc. These are called cell organelles. Nucleus. It is the most important component of the living cell. Nucleus is a large and spherical structure present in all cells. After staining, it can be easily seen with the help of a microscope. In animal cells, nucleus lies at the center of the cell, whereas in plant cells, it is present at the periphery of the cell due to the presence of a large vacuole. The nucleus consists of the following four parts. Nuclear membrane. Nucleus is separated from the cytoplasm by a double membrane called the nuclear membrane. This membrane is also porous and allows the movement of selected materials between the cytoplasm and the nucleus. Nucleoplasm. A dense fluid in the nucleus is called nucleoplasm. Nucleolus. It is a small nucleolus. It is a small spherical body present inside the nucleus. It is rich in RNA, ribonucleic acid. Chromosomes, some fine thread-like structures composed of deoxyribonucleic acid, DNA, are suspended in the nucleoplasm. These are called chromatin fibers. In the dividing nucleus, these chromatin fibers condense and form chromosomes. Due to this, chromosomes are only visible in the dividing cells. These chromosomes carry genes. Gene is the unit of inheritance in living organisms. Genes are responsible for passing genetic characteristics from the parents to the offspring. A child receives one copy of each gene from the mother and another copy of the same gene from the father. Functions. The nucleus controls all metabolic activities of the cell. It is responsible for passing genetic characteristics from the parents to the offspring. If a person has brown eyes, his son or daughter may also have brown eyes. If a woman has curly hair, her son or daughter may also have curly hair. However, different combinations of genes from parents may result in different characteristics.
Objective: to prepare stained, temporary mount of onion peel cell and to record observations and draw labeled diagrams. Click on the things needed. Click on the onion to place it on the table. Click on the knife to cut the onion into pieces. Click on the watch glass to put a piece of onion on it. Click on water to submerge the onion piece in water. Click on the forceps to remove epithelial membrane from the onion. Click on the blade to cut the peel into a square or rectangular shape. again. Now, there are two more watch glasses, one for safranin and one for distilled water. Click on the safranin to put it over the watch glass. Click on distilled water to put it on another watch glass. Click on the glass slide to put it between the watch glasses. For transferring, click on the brush or to shift the peel eventually to safranin solution to stain the peel. Then to watch glass with water to remove excess stain, and finally to the glass slide. Click on glycerin to put a drop over the peel kept on the slide to fix it on the slide. Click on the needle to help putting the cover slip on the slide. The needle is used now to avoid the cover slip air bubbles to cover the in the mount of the slide. Click on the blotting paper to remove excess glycerin from the slide. Click on the slide to place it on the microscope. Observation. You observe a large number of rectangular cells lying side by side in the epithelial membrane. Each cell has a distinct cell wall. Intercellular spaces are absent. A distinct nucleus is present in each cell with a prominent large vacuole. Conclusion. The cells observed are plant cells, as each cell consists of a cell wall and a large vacuole. Precautions. 1. Always use a brush to transfer the onion peel. 2. Avoid entry of any air bubble under the cover slip. 3. Avoid overstaining and understaining of the peel. 4. Avoid keeping the peel too long in water after staining. 5. The cover slip should be gently held with the help of a needle. 6. Remove extra glycerin from the slide with the help of a blotting paper. 7. Always mount the specimen in the center of the slide.
Cell organelles. Cell organelles are